channel, and we are going to show you some of my fidgets that I got today. You have recently not seen these in our videos, and I will be showing you what I will showing you and what you can do with these. So first we're going to start off with this one. I already half popped it before the video, so sorry. Let me just unpop it for you guys. Okay, done. You pop it like that. There's a noisy sound and a weak sound, so you might want to stay on the loud side. And let me just finish this for you guys. You know, there's Among Us in it. Among Us next, and it goes like that too. Next is this. You can just do it with this one though. I do it with this. It doesn't really work, but you can do it there. Lights up, watch. You see? Red, blue. And then you can do it like this. It doesn't really work. And then we're going to move on to this. Then you can do it like this, or like this, or like that. And next we are moving on to this poppet. And you can go like that. This is going to be a short video because we have not got that much time, because we have put tea in and it's only getting 2 minutes left. So there's 2 minutes left of the video, and if the next video gets, if this video gets 10 million likes, I will be doing a gift card giveaway. Bye! Like, subscribe, also ring the bell, and you can save it if you want for next time. Bye!